Welcome to Lesson 28.
I'm happy to see you, Peter. I was hoping to talk to you yesterday. Were you busy in London? Tell me about it.
Later, now we will have another drink of water before lunch. What were you doing?
I was working at the language school. I was giving classes to intermediate students. They were very easy to teach, weren't they, Jean?
Yes, they were.
Jean was in the class, weren't you? She was free because she did not have any classes herself. I was happy to teach because the students were receptive.
We did the past of to be, I am, is the present form and I was, is the past. I am, I was, you are, you were, he, she, it is, he, she, it was, we are, we were, you are, you were, they are, they were. Was I? Were you? Was he, she, it? Were we? Were you? Were they?
Were you confused, Jane?
No, I was not. I know how I have to learn and practice. In France, I wasn't ready. I was always looking for the logic. Now I accept that English is not logical. You just have to learn, haven't you? I did not know the importance of pronunciation. If you pronounce well, it makes listening easier. If listening is easier, then it is easier to memorize. If you speak English with a French accent, it is difficult to learn English.